Folks, I'm out here at Sweet Marsh. Specifically, I'm at the southern edge of Marten's Lake, also known as Segment B, and I have something very good to show you. Take a look at this. Water is being added to Marten's Lake. Marten's Lake is coming back. This process of adding channels, removing the rough fish, also known as carp and suckers, bullheads, it's complete. The water is being added. It's been a long couple of years, but we're seeing progress. Something we've all been waiting to hear about or know about, and it's happening now. How long it will take to completely fill up Marten's Lake, that's all determined by Mother Nature, by water flow, Plum Creek, rains. It could be a while, it might not take all that long, but nonetheless we know that it's being filled. The fish kill was deemed successful, so once this gets filled up, then we'll see the DNR coming out here, putting some desirable fish species here, and Marten's Lake will return in a new form. Obviously it won't be like it used to be, and there'll be some learning and some growing pains, I'm sure, just with the brush that's out there. But look at it, we're getting it back. It's been a long time in the making. I'm going to put the drone up in the air now and do a flyover just so we can take a look at it with a little bit more water in it. Hopefully in my lifetime I never see it drawn down like it was here just within the last, well, for sure the last couple of years. Hopefully this will last a long time for me, for my kids, my grandkids, and your grandkids. So I'm going to put the drone in the air now. It's a little bit on the breezy side, but I think I can handle it. I actually learned of this late last week, but wasn't able to get out here. So I've been anxious to see water coming back. Just as it took a while to drain it down, it could take some time to fill back up. I'm headed, if you were parked at the dam and looking across to the east, this is the area of Segment B or Marten's Lake that I'm looking at right now. As I mentioned, it's going to take a bunch of water to fill this up. We just need to be thankful that it's starting. The process has begun. gonna head over towards the boat ramp now. Probably a good thing that the drought is over and we're getting regular rain. Otherwise we could wait a long time for this to fill up. I imagine that's going to be a busy area next year. Maybe this fall. Depends how much rain we get. This would be the southeast corner of Marten's Lake. Segment A is across the dike. Since there's this channel right here, I'm going to pause my movement a little bit, my forward movement, and just pan over so you can see that path. Remember, all of this should be underwater at some point. The channels will just be the deeper spots. And there you are, folks. It's not a mistake. We actually have water coming into Marten's Lake again.